I'm going to teach you how to say I, you, he, she, it in Chinese. In Chinese, we say 我means I in English, okay? So say it with me. 我 Okay, perfect. What were you thinking when you pronounced that?
Yeah, it sounds like you got to slide the pitch down and then back up to get the same sound that you're getting.
Whoa, you must be a musician. Pitch and tone and swoop up, right? 我 Perfect. Now how about you in Chinese, right? You, we say it 你. So think about maybe your knee, right? So 你, say it with me.
你.
One more time. 你.
Okay, with the bend, right?
Yes, with that, the way you say a swoop up, right? I call it like a sweep.
Same as whoa, right?
Yeah, same as wall. So 你.
你.
One more time. 你.
你.
Great! Now we know how to say I, you in Chinese. Now we're going to learn he, she, it. But luckily, in Chinese, we say the same way. We say it 他. So 他 means he, she, it.
Oh.
Very good, right? Haha, you buy 3, get 1 free. No, buy 1, get 3 free. Okay, so 他 means he, she, it. So say it with me. 他
Ta.
他
Ta.
他
Ta.
Like a guitar, right? But it's the end piece of it. Guitar, like ta, ta. But you say ta,
Ta.
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 Very easy, right? What were you thinking when you pronounced ta?
Just sharp and try to match the same the sound that you're getting.
Okay, good. Ta, it's an easy one. Ta,
Ta.
perfect. Now we know how to say I, you, he, she, and it.